on the parallel session, we have lean healthcare in China, from improvement projects to lean departments, with William Luo and Ken. And here on the main stage, I have my colleague from the Institute in Indonesia. We have Teuku Mirwan, and he will be joined by Donnie, who will also be sharing his story here. Mirwan, the stage is yours.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Christopher. Yeah, okay. Hello, everyone. Salam from Indonesia. Yeah, thank you. This is a big opportunity for us. We will share all of our lean thinking and practice in Indonesia. We will start by show you how we found the lean thinking and practice in Indonesia, especially in our consulting firm. We use the H3 thinking to develop our consulting capability through the lean transformation framework. So we believe that a good consultant will have the people skill, communication skill, problem solving, technical, structure thinking, and change management. What we face that actually we have a lot of the client that have a problem in operation and the maintenance. And we have a lot of consultants which have experience with the different kind of experience, such as RCM, TPM, and Lean. But how we can deliver the solution to the customer? So we have the one standard framework thinking. So all of our consultant will use the same word to deliver the solution. So our goal is to having the standard word, but now we maybe have no standard framework how to deliver our solution. That's why we choose the lean transformation framework to use as our standard framework. So all of our consulting will be easy to deliver the solution to the client. And then we know that this is very difficult to make people know all in one place to do the training. Then, like, okay, we will make this hybrid. And then we get the help from the Lean Enterprise Institute to do the online session, and then we combine with the
Mirwan?
how to do the text. We will share you the example.
Mirwan, can you hear me? I think your connection is really struggling. Does Donnie have your presentation? Can he present? Oh, he just left. So guys, we're just trying to get this connection going with Indonesia. Donnie, do you have your present? Oh, you guys. Okay,
Yeah,
we are
I'm
back.
sorry, I'm sorry
You
for the lost
connected again.
connection. Yeah.
Yes, we
I'm
lost
sorry for the
connection.
lost connection. I'm sorry.
So yeah, it's okay. I'm just saying if you could express a little what you have to say. The slides are being very heavy for the presentation. So one option
Okay.
is you can send the slides to us and we can pass it here. Maybe it's better so you can keep just the explanation.
Okay, we will do that for sure.
So,
Or
yeah, stop sharing the slides and send me the
Okay.
file. I will help you guys from the studio here.
Hi, Chris.
Guys, hello. So Telku, my suggestion. I'm with my here the presentation. Perfect. There, perfect. We will put the presentation on the screen. Telku, you can continue explaining on what slide we were exactly. Which one did we stop? Do you know? 2. Okay, perfect. We will go there.
Yeah.
You can continue. I will share in just a second. We are sharing here, and you can continue your explanation.
Yeah. I'm sorry,
When you
guys,
need to change
having
the
this
slide,
trouble.
just say next slide and we will change the slide, okay? Perfect.
Yeah. Okay. So when I say before that we as consulting management, we need having a standard framework. So all of our consultant can deliver the solution to the client in the same work and easy to understand by all the others consultant. And then today, actually, we will see how our consultant use the Lean Transformation Framework question to do their job to deliver value to our client. Okay, please next slide. Okay, here are our case study to do the to use Lean Transformation Framework question for reducing operation delay in smelter nickel. Yeah, as the first question is the purpose, we need to understand what the problem are trying to solve. Here is a brief explanation how the nickel smelter works. Yeah, actually the furnace of the nickel smelter need to run 24 hours non-stop because we need to maintain the heat of the smelting process. It will make us so difficult to detect any abnormality because we cannot stop it in the end of day or in every time. We need precisely the people using a corrective measure when issue arose, and then we require the furnace to shut down and repair, and that the operation delay will be happen. So to detect any abnormality early, an inspection interior of furnace was applied, and this inspection interior will require 30 until 40 minutes of operation delay. So this is the main problem that we want to solve by improve inspection process to reduce operation delay. Next. So we go to the second question of Lean's transformation framework, which is what is the work and how do we improve it? So we use the time motion study, this is the time motion study that we use. We call it KTU chart, that K will be presented to the process time. T will be presented by a non-value process, and the U is the conveyance time. And after we doing the time motion, we found that in one inspection interior time, we need 34.4 minutes to finish the inspection furnace. We believe that will cost a lot of money of production loss from the nickel smelter. That's why we do the gap analysis, that we have the gap of 14 minutes from the target is 20 and the current is 24. So how we improve this work after we know the work? We will use the EREX. This is the one of the tool that we use. We need to eliminate the work by moving the root bar replacement, and then we doing the rearrange to separate the job based on the floor, and then we add additional spare part for the root bar so they can doing the directly replacement, and then we doing the combination inspection process with the test height pressure, and finally we do the simplify of the process, which is we make the process will become the parallel. This is how we understand the work, and then we do the improvement. Please next. So after we finish the first question, which is we know what is the problem is, what is our purpose, and then we go to do the understand the process, and then we improve it, and then next we need to develop our capability to do the new way of work. And this will be described by that Doni. Doni,
Yeah.
please take your time.
Okay. Thank you, Mirwan, for your explanation previously. Hi, everyone. Let me to continue the discussion. The question number 3 from Lean Transformation Framework is, how do we develop our capabilities? Yeah, as we know, previous slide, our team already make an improvement to reduce time for inspection furnace. And now we can see in our presentation, this is a standardized work combination chart. Yeah. The first information in here is we are already mapping area. Yeah, the first is 3rd floor and 4th floor. Yeah. After that, we also have a divided person. Yeah, we have 4 operator. The operator name is CRO, water checker, kilo 5, and steady day operator. Each operator have a different job with each floor, 3rd floor and 4th floor. And then we also have a target of furnace inspection duration. We set up 15 minutes after we got the improvement. And in standardized work combination chart, there is also have a work sequence. Yeah, you can see in this slide. The work sequence have a detailed activity for each operator. In 4th floor, we have 2 operator, that is kilo 5 Charlie and steady day operator, working on 4th floor. And in the 3rd floor, we have CRO and water checker. And also actually same with Mirwan explanation with previous slide. We have a redesign for working strategy. Before we got the improvement, we have a serious task. So we have a waiting person to working inspection. After we improve with ERIEC, already explanation with Mirwan, you can find in this combination chart. We got the parallel task. So we shift the serious task for each operator, go to parallel task. So in this method, we can reduce time. for furnace inspection. Okay, and then you can also find in this slide for picture for operator training. Operator training, the purpose for develop people capability. After we got the new standard, we train all the operator involved in this inspection furnace. Also, in this slide have a histogram. Yeah, we collect the data before improvement and after improvement, and for after improvement we have 18 minutes to working in furnace inspection. Before improvement, yeah, average in 20 until 30 minutes. So we can reduce time for furnace inspection already. Okay, next slide. Okay, and then we continue for the fourth question in Lean Transformation Framework. That is, what management system and leader behaviors do we need? Yeah, so that this is have two questions. What management system and what leaders behaviors do we need? For the first question, we developed the in onion concept. Yeah, you know onion. In the center, the core is the most value. In onion concept, the primary layer that generates value in this activity, our improvement, the core or the primary layer is the operators that generates value for our activity. The next layer is the protection for the operator, which is the supervisor, manager, or general manager, and so on, so on. The next layer, yeah, the management system will be performing a routine management, yeah, to protect the core or the operator value. This is the what management system that our develop. And this is also have the picture, yeah. This is the evidence, yeah. We already get the improvement, and this is divided into daily, weekly, and monthly. Each period have a different responsibility. Yeah, in daily activity, is this the responsibility for supervisor layer in the yellow layer? Yeah, you see in here, yellow layer is a supervisor. In our improvement in our place, yeah, it's mentioned it by L1 shift, L1 shift, L1 steady day. This is a supervisor layer. And then in the weekly period, we also have a Gemba and technical meeting by L2 smelter. L2 is like a manager smelter. And the last in L3, yeah, this is a general manager for process plant. Also have Gemba in monthly. And the second question, what is the leader behavior do we need? We apply the concept go see, ask why, and show respect. Yeah, in this table you can see go see is directly observe in the field, observe the non-conformance, and then this is not enough only go see. We continue to ask why the non-conformance occur. And the last is we also have to show respect to our operator with follow up the non-conformance. And then next slide. Okay, this is interesting. Yeah, for the last our lean transformation framework question is basic thinking. The question is, what is our basic thinking? In this slide, you can see the different before and after improvement. The before improvement, we do the maintenance strategy with corrective, which is repairing the machine after breakdown. After we improve the strategy we shift to preventive maintenance, so we can identifying abnormalities before the failure occur. And the second, we also change the serious task. In the serious task, there is a person waiting to perform. So this is one of some lean ways here. And after we applying LTF question, the strategy become to parallel tasks. So everyone can perform tasks simultaneously. Okay, next. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you for the attention. Maybe I get the stage to Mr. Nirwan.
Okay, Doni, thank you so much for the presentation. So this is the LTF question that we are doing in our consulting firm to finish our job. And actually, we were very sorry to have the technical problem. So we can, maybe you can ask we by maybe connecting in the LinkedIn also, we can get we in the LinkedIn in Relogika and Lean Institute Indonesia, and then we can discuss more about a Lean transformation framework question that apply to improve the work in our client. And then also I will give you the hint that in next hour, we also have the another example of the Lean transformation framework that we use to solve in the mining process. So we will please to you guys can join us, and we will discuss more about the Lean thinking and Lean transformation framework question for make all the improvements better. Okay, that's all for us, Christopher.
Hello. Nirwan.
Yeah.
Perfect. We are back here. We thank you. I know we struggled a little there at the beginning, but in the end, it was really fluid. We could hear you really well. Donnie, Mirwan, we could really understand. So it worked. Our solution, we had to adapt.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Perfect.
Christopher.
Thank you, guys.
Sorry
Thank
for
you
the
guys for
beginning.
sharing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.